Welcome! This is my Coke wings recipe. These are the ingredients you need: 10 wings, Chinese cooking wine, secret sauce which has 2 spoons of soy sauce and 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, salt, oil, a slice of ginger, 2 slices of garlic and half green onions. First, use a pot to wash your wings and save some water in the pot. Second, add 2 spoons of cooking wine into the pot. Third, add your 5 slices of ginger and half of your cut green onion into the pot. Fourth, put your pot on the stove and turn to the biggest fire level. After 2 minutes, see the water boiling with thick bubbles, turn off the fire. Fifth, rinse and wash your wings. Sixth, use paper towel to dry your wings.
It's fine.
Do you need help?
And I don't need help. Seventh, turn your fire to the mid-level to heat your pan until warm, and put the oil into the pan. Swing your pan to make the oil evenly distribute on the pan. 8. Put your wings into the pan and stir fry it until each side become yellow. Then put the ginger and garlic to keep stir frying. 9th, pour Coke into the pot until submerge the wings, and put your secret sauce into the pot. Oh, don't forget about the salt. Then turn to the biggest fire level. 10th, when the Coke start boiling, turn the fire to the mid-level and put your lid on. Wait for 20 minutes. 11th, after 20 minutes, when you see the Coke is getting less and gradually soaking into the wings, turn to the biggest level of fire and stir fry it.
Well, I will definitely finish it.
My friend couldn't wait. When you see the sauce is getting thicker, keep stir fry it until the sauce all cover the wings. Put the green onions on the wings and they are ready to go. Wow, looks so good.